Whether you're a retailer looking for the best quality automatic packaging machines or an OEM for packaging machine, Foshan Jason Automatic Equipment Company Limited is here to serve you with advanced technology and innovative, reliable solutions. Jason Machine distributes professional packaging machines and automation solution worldwide for trade professionals who demand superior performance, long-lasting durability, and consistently stable operation on the job. Till date, Jason have bagged many awards and acknowledgments for our exceptional work and are certified to CE certification and SGS organization standards. We offer solutions for the various industries and consumer segments. We specialize in manufacturing packaging machinery for various kinds of applications such as snack, powder sauce, and some special material like snus, hookah shisha product. We promise to delivery on time, free lifetime operator training, responsive 48 hours service with no service charge, and 1-year warranty to ensure your satisfaction. We have a strong R&D team backed by an efficient and modern facility. Behind our reliable and high-quality products is a team of skilled, trained, and experienced designers and engineers dedicated to ensure total customer satisfaction. The strong plant support, which including vertical packing machine workshop, multi-lane packing machine workshop, and pack experience workshop, where you can see and operate any of our packaging machine on display. This immersive experience strengthens client trust and satisfaction. We will ensure that we leave no rock unturned and that you leave with a great impression of our company, and most importantly, knowing that our products can effectively package yours. Jason, a partner you can rely on with confidence and